All right, we're cutting Swiss cheese here today. The question is, will the cutting edges withstand the severe interruptions? We'll see. We're going to try this with the Mill 412 KT, the tangential shoulder milling cutter. Why should you consider a tangentially mounted insert for such an application? Simply because of this. See the amount of carbide that supports the cutting edge when pushing against the material and creating the chip? That's important when you're facing tougher applications like heavy interrupted cuts. But let's start easy first. We're taking a classic shoulder milling cut with a 3mm depth of cut for each pass and about 55% engagement of the cutter. We're running this at 240 meters per minute and a 0.35mm feed rate per tooth. Next, we're taking a cut through these interruptions here. Cutting speed remains the same, but we're lowering the feed rate to 0.3mm per tooth. Now, we're cutting the Swiss cheese. Cutting speed remains unchanged, but for this type of applications, the feed rate needs to be lowered further, and we're decreasing it to a 0.25mm feed rate per tooth. Holy smokes, let's take a look at the inserts. Well, we got some of the inserts chipped with this cut. No surprise. Think about that. We started with a light cut, then we have taken them to the test with the interrupted cuts. So the inserts took a little bit of a beating already, then the real heavy cut. Not something you would typically do on your shop floor, so let's try this again. This time with the brand new inserts. Speed and feed rate stay the same at 240 meters per minute and 0.25mm feed rate per tooth. Quick check. The inserts look good. Let's run it again and see how the Mill 412 KT will do with a 0.3mm feed rate per tooth. Quick check, the inserts still look good. Okay, let's see if we can get back to where we started, which was 0.35mm feed rate per tooth. Last check on the inserts. We can clearly see the benefits of the strong cutting edge that features the Mill 412 KT inserts. No visible wear, no chipping. If you have challenging applications to overcome, then the tangential milling cutter Mill 412 KT is the way to go. The Mill 412 KT cutting edges withstand even these severe interruptions. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.